Let's take a look at how to notarize files using Acronis File Sync and Share. With the advanced pack enabled, you can notarize files on the Ethereum blockchain. If we go in here and take a look at these files, we can see that I've got one that's already notarized. What that means is that it took a digital fingerprint of the file or a hash of the file and added that to the Ethereum blockchain. The file itself is, of course, not added, but by adding the signature of the file, you can go back and establish that the file is authentic. It is the same version that was notarized and can prove that the contents of that file were the same at the specified date and time of the notarization. We take a look here at the one that has already been notarized. We can view the certificate. So this shows us all the details and the hash and the date and time. And it gives us a way to verify it ourselves or to allow anybody potentially to verify. You can download this as a PDF, and then further down here, there's technical details that could be used to verify it totally independently through the blockchain. You can also do that through the Acronis UI here through the verification tab. So now I could go and let's say I take a copy of that file and upload it. Now I need the certificate ID from there. Copy that and paste that in there. And so now it's compared that and verified that it is authentic. If I were, say, to do that with a different file that was not the same, it was either a totally different file or it was a different version of the file, we could go in and do the same thing, but this time it'll correctly show us that the file was not notarized. The status of the notarization will be shown here and then also through the Notarized Files tab. Here we're seeing two different icons. There's also a third icon that you can see that would show that a previous version of the file was notarized, but the current version has not yet been notarized. And then if there was a reason to notarize that again, then you could do that and then have a way to establish the authenticity of both versions or however many versions you decide to notarize.